Good afternoon, teacher and classmates. This is me. This is final test describing my life. This is my personal information. My name is Camilo Andrés Galvis Hernandez. I'm from Ibagué. I live now in Cúcuta. I am 20 years old. My email address is mexicamiarrahme.com. I am a student and have a job in sales. I live now in Cúcuta. I live in a close complex with good neighborhood. We have a beautiful park called skating rinks. My hobbies. In my free time I like to travel to another cities. My favorite food is rice chines. My favorite movie is Forrest Gump, cause it shows the life is someone with disability and how everything is going well. My favorite book. I don't have favorite book, but I think it could be Anna Frank Diary. It shows the society in the Second World War. My qualities. I learn fast. I am friendly, honest, disinterested. My daily routine. I wake up at a.m. I breakfast at 8:30 a.m. I do my homework from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 11 I take a shower. 11:45 I have lunch. I have to be in the job at 1 p.m. I leave my work at 7 p.m. I have dinner at 8:30 p.m. I watch social media at 9 p.m. and 10:30 I sleep. And my weekends I usually do go to the restaurants and visit another cities. Significant person in my life. My mom. Her name is Sofia Jimena Hernandez Devia. She's 48 years old and she's a health administrator. She has a lovely hair and she likes order and respect. She has a strong character. She's a quiet, responsible, very friendly, and she likes to help others. She gets angry easily, but she likes to laugh a lot. Experience make me happy. Make me happy to travel around the south of the country to see Cali, Ventura, see salsa dancers, eat cholado, learn about another culture and its musical ring. Describes the event make me feel sad, nervous. At the beginning of the year, my mother lost her job because the company was liquidated, so I was very worried about how I could help and keep it the house. Thank you. Bye.